Mga ka-walk, welcome back sa Walk with Yarn, where we steer the path of Philippine politics with zero sugarcoating, just pure, unfiltered katotohanan. Ako si Lan, your friendly neighborhood political walkmaster. At today, oh boy, we got a sizzling pasabog na magpapabago ng game. Vice President Sara Duterte just dropped a truth bomb on ex-Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kickbacks from illegal gambling, suitcases of money, at links sa Okada Manila bribery scandal straight from a US court ruling. Pero wait, there's more. Are Senators Tito Soto and Ping Lacson just loyal allies or straight up tuta ni Romualdez guarding the old boys club, mga kaibigan? Simpleng kwentuhan lang tayo today. Ha? Walang complicated jargon, just storytelling like we are chilling over sisig and beer. Pero fact-based, witty at full of those aha moments para sa youth audience na gusto ng real talk on homeland politics. If you are scrolling TikTok but secretly binging Senate hearings, this is for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, bell on, let's walk this, mga kaibigan. Okay, imagine this. It's September 2025. Grabe. The rainy season's turning Manila into a swimming pool. Floods everywhere at galit na galit ang publiko sa gobyerno. Enter Vice President Sara Duterte, our superhero, our Inday Sara, the firecracker, the eagle from Davao, who stands up in the Senate and says, hindi lang si dating DepEd Secretary Saldico ang may hawak ng pera. Si Martin Romualdez din. Okay. Ay, nako, kasin po ito, no? Pinsan po ito ng ating Pangulong Marcos. May suitcases of cash from Pogos and that shady Okada deal. Boom! Pasabog! Pero bakit ngayon? Remember the Unity breakup. Marcos Duterte alliance na parang exes na nag-aaway sa tel. Okay, ha? So, grabe no yung breakup na yun, no? Parang custody ng power. That is, Sara's OVP, budget slashed to crumbs, impeachment threats looming, at now this. If politics were a teleserye, Sara's the fierce heroine exposing the villain's lair, while Soto and Lacson, they're the comic sidekicks who end up spilling the beans or covering them up. Haha, stay tuned. Today, we will break it down. Sara's bravery, the senators, shady defenses, key controversies, at what it means for us, Gen Z. Okay, ito po ay couple of minutes of intellectual spice. No lectures, just kwentuhan with humor at depth. Ready? Let's dive in. Ay, nako. Grabe Okay. Yan, sorry po pasensya na po kayo. Okay, okay mga kawok. Let's start with the start. Kawok. with Let's start with the star of the show, Vice President Sara Duterte, our superhero. Picture her, September 29, 2025. Sa Senate floor, kalmado lang siya, collected pero eyes like lasers. A Delaware court ruling tag Romualdez in the Okada bribery. No? She says,
for the non-lawyers among us, including me on Mondays, that's a US federal case exposing how Japanese tycoon Kazu Okada bribed Filipino officials for casino permits. At sino ang named? Hmm, our ex-speaker Martin Romualdez, kasi ni President Marcos. Sarah didn't just throw shade. She back it with receipts, kickbacks from illegal pogos, millions in laundered cash, mga kaibigan. Back back in 2024, floods hit hard. DPWH budget question. Fast forward to 2025, Lacson himself calls for a probe into flood control pork insertions worth billions na mysteriously routed through Romualdez allies. No? Hindi tayo magpapauto. Even if your family, corruption is corruption. Brave, right? In a country where utang na loob rules politics, calling out your own alliance, that's next level integrity. If Sarah were a Marvel hero, she'd be a Black Widow, slick, deadly, accurate, at walang takot sa big bosses. Philstar reported her backing the suitcases claims just October 1. ABS-CBN confirmed the Romualdez Pogo links. This isn't gossip. It's journalism gold. Sa Philippine politics, power flows like the Pasig, dirty, murky, at full of surprises. Sarah's move, it's a reminder that true leadership means draining the swamp, even if it floods your own backyard. Mga kabatch, if we are fighting for climate justice, how can we ignore leaders who pack at flood relief funds? Sarah saying, accountability first? Grabe, no? Okay, nako mga kaibigan, we will dig down deeper, no? Si Romualdez ay nag-resign po yan bilang speaker amid the scandal. But Sarah warns, don't escape by fleeing abroad. Echoes of past probes like the 2023 Maharlika Fund mess. Kamusta na kaya yun, yung Maharlika Fund na yan, no? Politicians resigning to consult abroad. That's code for packing suitcases literally. By minute, you are here, your hook, right? Next, the Tuta Duo. Ay, nako, mga kaibigan, no? Ay, nako, now, the elephant, or should I say, the tuta in the room. Senators Tito Soto and Ping Lacson, mga kawok, these are the old guards, OGs. Soto, the king of showbiz politics. Lacson, the ex-cop turned statesman, solid creds, di ba? Pero sa 2025 controversies, parang they have switched teams from public service to protecting the palace guard. October 1, Lacson announces a flood probe and says, I'll invite Romualdez, no cover-ups. Sounds noble, right? Pero wait, Politico reports he's the one who revealed those shady budget insertions. Yet, now he's proud to have opposed dismissing Sarah's impeachment. Confusing match, no? August 2025, Soto abstains on Duterte's house arrest calls, no? Then teams with Lacson to revive her impeachment if SC flips. They're vowing to drag this out. Bakit? Okay. Soto defended Senate pork in the 2025 budget war. Billions inserted post Lacson's expose. It's for projects, he says. Pero when Sara calls out Romualdez Pogo ties, no? Or worse, subtle jobs, no? Soto's like that uncle at family reunions. Smooth talker, but always siding with the rich Tito. Lacson, no? They stern lolo na probe tayo. Pero ends up shielding the probe's target. Tuta vibes. When Romualdez name drops, they pivot to nobody's target. Okay, no one spared, pero actions speak louder. Zero push for Sarah's OBP hearing resumption. Okay, mga kaibigan, no? So, ano natin? Okay, so according to Philstar, October 2, Soto abstains on divisive issues. avoiding Sara heat. In a youth-focused world where we demand transparency via hashtag resign Marcos trends, these vets represent the trapo trap. Talk reform, act preserve power, sa game theory ng politika, they're playing defense for the dynasty. Romualdez as Marcos proxy, Sara disrupts that they contain her, simpleng aral, old guard versus new far, sino mananalo. Okay not hating, just analyzing. Pero sa panahon ng climate crisis at economic squeeze, we need senators na attack corruption, hindi defend it. Ouch, but true. Okay, time for the juicy timeline. Kawok, simpleng kwentuhan lang tayo. January 2025, post-election glow fades. Marcos slashes OVP budget by 300 million pesos. Sara fights back. Transparency. February, impeachment whispers start. Soto and Lacson quiet. Okay, SC rules impeachment unconstitutional. Relief. Pero August, senators clash. Soto opposes dismissal. Lacson pushes revival. For justice daw. September floods, billions vanish in insertions. Lacson exposes. Pero invites Romualdez to his probe. October 1, Sara's Senate speech. Okada ruling. Pogo cash. Suitcases. Palace claps back. Baseless. Imagine you are in barko during typhoon. Sara's the captain yelling, steer clear of rips. Si Soto Lacson, the crew patching leaks on the rich deck only. Floods in Manila, blame climate change. Sabi nila, habang Romualdez projects float away with the cash. This is our inheritance. Dynasties fighting over scraps while we deal with rising seas. Okay, it's not personal. It's structural. Focus on events like the postponed OVP hearing. No? Sara absent or strategically silent. Captivating, di ba? Okay, by now, you are an expert. What now? Mga kabataan, here's the walk wisdom. Sara's pasabog shows courage trumps loyalty. Key sa fighting corruption. Si Soto Lacson, reminder that we need fresh blood. Their defenses smell like recycled excuses. If politics is chess, Sara just checkmate the king with a pawn. Okay, anong takeaways natin? Demand probes na real, hindi photo ops. Vote with facts, not family names. Join the convo. Your voice is the next bombshell. For homeland politics, stay woke, stay walk. Salamat sa couple of minutes na ito mga kaibigan. Ka-walk. Next episode natin. Marcos response, counter pasabog. Like, share, comment your thoughts. At remember, mga kababayan, sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang sinisikil. Pero kasama kayo, kaya nating ipaglaban ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube membership. Tulungan ninyo akong manatiling malaya, walang takot, at laging handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat sa suporta mga kawok. Sumali na sa hashtag #WalkWithLan YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng laban. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.